Welcome back to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes, your ultimate destination for the latest updates on two-wheelers. Today we're diving into the 2025 Suzuki Access 125, a scooter that continues to dominate the Indian market with its reliability, style, and performance. Let's find out what makes this new model stand out: design and aesthetics. The 2025 Suzuki Access 125 carries forward its classic design, but with modern tweaks that make it even more appealing. The new model features a sharper front apron, LED headlamps with integrated DRLs, and sleeker body lines that give it a more contemporary look. The chrome accents on the front fender and side panels add a premium touch, making it a head-turner on city streets. Suzuki offers a variety of new color options, ensuring there's something for everyone, whether you prefer subtle elegance or bold statements. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Access 125 is powered by a refined 124cc single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine that delivers 8.7 PS of power and 10 Nm of torque. The engine is now compliant with the latest BS7 emission norms, ensuring eco-friendly rides without compromising performance. Known for its peppy acceleration and smooth ride quality, the Access 125 continues to be an excellent choice for daily commutes and weekend getaways alike. The CVT gearbox ensures seamless power delivery, making city traffic a breeze. Features and technologies. Suzuki has equipped the 2025 Access 125 with a host of modern features. The digital analog instrument cluster now offers Bluetooth connectivity, enabling turn-by-turn navigation and call/SMS alerts on the go. The Suzuki Ride Connect app enhances the overall user experience, making your rides smarter and safer. Additionally, the scooter gets an external fuel filler cap, a USB charging port, and ample under-seat storage, adding to its practicality. Ride and handling. One of the standout aspects of the Suzuki Access 125 has always been its comfort and handling, and the 2025 model is no exception. The telescopic front suspension and rear monoshock ensure a smooth ride over potholes and rough roads. The scooter's lightweight frame, combined with a well-balanced design, offers excellent maneuverability, making it ideal for both new and experienced riders. The 12-inch front and 10-inch rear alloy wheels, coupled with front disc brakes and CBS, provide ample stopping power and safety. Fuel efficiency and pricing. Fuel efficiency has always been a strong suit for the Access 125, and the 2025 model boasts an impressive mileage of around 50 kmpl. With rising fuel prices, this scooter proves to be a pocket-friendly choice for daily commuters. As for pricing, the 2025 Suzuki Access 125 is expected to start at our site 2000 ex-showroom, making it a competitive option in the 125cc scooter segment. The 2025 Suzuki Access 125 successfully blends classic charm with modern features, making it a top contender in the 125cc scooter segment. With its reliable performance, stylish design, and feature-rich package, it's an ideal choice for urban commuters and young riders. Stay tuned to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes for more reviews, updates, and everything you need to know about the latest two-wheelers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes for your daily dose of bike and scooter news. Ride safe, and see you in the next video.